Hi, this is Darren with Alpine Innovations, and today I want to tell you a little bit about the Oracle X scope made by Burris and which scope cover fits that model. So we built a couple of different models here at Alpine Innovations. This shown is our NX model, size medium. So this fits a 12 to 15 inch long optic. As you can see, it wraps around it and it fits perfectly. Our products also include a lens cleaner inside, so if you need to wipe off the optic, you have that. And it's super convenient, it's quiet, it allows you to access your optics and shoot quickly. How you get it off, just pull off the band off the bottom and you're good. The NX2 model comes with a little different feature, a reinforced objective lens. And you slide the band under and you have the same ability to cover the optic quickly and to gain access. If you've got bad weather, rain, snow, whatever the conditions, check out the Alpine Innovations NX or NX2 scope covers for your Oracle X at alpineproducts.com.